A restorative Japanese massage inspired by a samurai recovery center. This routine reflects strength balanced with calm and discipline. The atmosphere feels focused, grounded, and deeply respectful. The session begins with steady breathing to center the mind. Movements are firm yet controlled and mindful. Samurai recovery influence emphasizes recovery and resilience. Hands work slowly across shoulders and upper body areas. Each motion supports muscle relaxation after physical strain. Japanese massage techniques focus on balance and alignment. Pressure remains moderate and carefully applied. The rhythm stays steady to promote grounding and stability. Short pauses allow the body to reset naturally. This style supports both physical recovery and mental calm. The environment feels quiet, strong, and reassuring. Breathing remains deep and controlled throughout. Tension gradually releases without harsh force. The body feels supported and restored. Samurai Recovery Center massage promotes strength, calm, and inner balance.